Hi, Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert. So you're thinking about an impact driver and why you want one. Well, these are really versatile tools. The idea behind an impact driver is that it has these fittings on there that are very specific, right? So you have to use bits that are designed to go into an impact driver, and that can be screw bits, all different types of screw bits that can go on there, even drill bits. But the real benefit behind an impact driver is in the name. It not only turns, but it forms an impact. So depending on the type of bits that you're using, if you're driving into masonry or into concrete or into steel, for example, the idea is that you get that little hitting action, which helps you to drive those screws or fasteners in with more force and precision. This particular one by default is part of their 20-volt max battery system, and it has a mode selector on there, which is really nice, a 1, 2, and a 3, that actually changes the power at which you use the tool. And this particular one is shorter. Now, where that comes into an advantage is if you're working in tight spaces. Remember, you're going to have a bit on the end of that, and the longer the tool and the bit combination are, the less likely you are to reach into tight places. So if you're going to build a deck, if you're going to be driving fasteners into masonry or concrete, an impact driver is the way to go. All right, coming up next, my video on the many uses of a jigsaw.